Hi friends, welcome to my channel Explore the World this way. Today I'll show you the best places to visit in Andhra Pradesh. So let's start. The first one is Vishakhapatnam, also called by the name of Vizag. This is a coastal town, also the industrial center of the state. It has been acclaimed to be one of the best places in Andhra Pradesh for its striking infrastructure and clean coast. Ramakrishna Beach is one of the most renowned sites in the city. It is also the spot where the preserved submarine INS Kursura is located. The submarine now functions as a museum that highlights the life of the Navy. One can also visit the Vra Lakshmi temple, indulge in some fantastic coastal food, and take a stroll on the beach. The second one is Gandhi Kota, one of the lesser known tourist spots in Andhra Pradesh. Gandhi Kota has one major attraction that one should definitely witness. Home to the historic fort along the Penna River, this site has a view of the canyon which is like none other. The vast canyon is also referred to as the Grand Canyon of India. The fort is a hub for campers who bring along tents and spend their night under a sky full of stars. The third one is Tirupati. The city of Tirupati is famous for its legendary Venkateshwar temple located on the Tirumala hills. This temple in Tirupati is one of the most important shrines of the Hindus, making it a renowned place in Andhra Pradesh. The temple and the city get millions of devotees and travelers each year to seek blessings and witness this awe-inducing spirituality. This city also has a national park where one can spot a lion and other wild animals. For the history buff, there is also the Chandragiri Fort built by the Vijayanagar Emperor in the 11th century. Also, there are some cottages in Tirupati which are spectacular and attract a lot of tourists who visit here. The fourth one is Ahobilam, located at a distance of 340 kilometers from the city of Hyderabad. This is a lush green spot popular for hiking and a famous pilgrimage center. The town has 9 different temples where each form of Lord Narsimha is worshipped. This is the reason why the city is called Nav Narsimha Kshetra. Most of these temples are easy to walk up to, but some of them are challenging hikes which make it a place of interest for young travelers. Fifth one is Rajamundry, counted among the best places in Andhra Pradesh. This city is called the cultural capital of the state. Rajamundry was established on the banks of the river Godavari and believed to be the birthplace of Telugu language. The city is the home to many scholars and writers renowned all over the state. Rajamundry is an amalgamation of everything, right from beautiful backwaters, significant temples, and museum. The iconic Pulasa fish is a unique delicacy of the town. It's found here from August to December. The sixth one is Amravati. The capital city of the state is known as across the country for its uniqueness. This great city has many temples and cultural hotspots. makes the city a favorite for both the elders and the youth of the country. Apart from the iconic Amravati temple, the city is home to some of the historical scriptures and inscriptions of the Vijayanagar kings. The Amravati Archaeological Museum and Kondavidu Fort will fascinate those who have an inclination towards history. The seventh one is Lipakshi, one of the well-known tourist places in Andhra Pradesh. This site, however, gets more tourists from Karnataka than any other part of India because of its proximity to the state. This is a 15th century town that was created by the Vijayanagar kings. The temple of Veerbhadra at Lipakshi is known as its peculiar design. The ceilings and walls have eccentric paintings and stunning pillars, which are sure to. The eighth one is Araku Valley. Located in the abundant greenery of the Eastern Ghats, Araku Valley is a paradise for travelers who love nature. The forest is home to some of the unique tribes seen in India, and the government has taken extraordinary measures to preserve their indigenous ways of life. There is a Padmapuram garden atop the hill with a toy train, making the destination ideal for families with kids. This place is also home to a coffee museum, which is one of the highlight here. The ninth one is Kurnool. Kurnool, also called the gateway to Rayalaseema, has many spots with historical importance. The biggest attraction is the Konda Reddy Fort, which is located at the heart of the city. The fort is only 2 kilometers away from the railway station and is a massive stone structure. The town is famous for its unique spicy food that one can enjoy at any small size eatery across the city. The Sri Lakshmi Narasimha temple and the Dakshin Sai Baba temple are considered to be the most prominent pilgrimage sites here. The 10th one is Vijayawada. The city of Vijayawada is one of the famous places in Andhra Pradesh. The city is a perfect blend of modernity and historical city, as reflected by the fast-paced city life and iconic monuments respectively. The Undavali caves are one of the most visited spots by travelers. The rock cut cave temple is part of a sandstone hill with fascinating statues and carvings. The Prakasam barrage is synonymous with the city, a long bridge that stretches over the Krishna River. Last one is Nalamma Hills. Characterized as one of the most peaceful natural tourist spots in Andhra Pradesh, this hill station is an excellent place for a single day trip or a weekend away from the bustling city. It is home to the Nalamma forest, which is located on the beautiful Eastern Ghats. The weather here is very unpredictable, but a visit to these hills will always be worthwhile. Uh, Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like the video, then please do like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get the notification for new videos.